Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 11 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. And look who I have. It's Colin, our special guest. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing all right. Hey, everybody.
Man, we're almost through this. We're excited. We do this every year, and he's good enough to be joining me on some of these. All right, so tonight it's going to be a little bit different because, man, have I got a cool prize for you today. It's a DJI Mic Mini. You get 2 mics in the receiver. Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. But first, we like to do this Jokarama. You remember what we did last year? Okay, so what we're going to try to do is
I won last year.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know. The jury's still out on that one, but we'll see how it goes this year because we're okay. So what we're going to do, both of us are going to try and stay really stoic, right? We're going to keep straight faces and try and be real serious, and then the other person is going to tell a joke. We're going to go back and forth and see if we can crack each other up.
All right.
All right. So do you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
You go first.
Oh, you're done. You're done. It's over. All right. Now I want you to know I'm building, right? So the first one's not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
building.
good.
I'm
That's
building.
always
All right.
smart.
First joke. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Straight face.
I'm
Don't
ready.
giggle. All right. What does a soccer announcer get from Santa when he makes the naughty list?
I think I know.
Oh, no. No.
Cold.
All right, well, you're laughing. You're laughing. That's one for me. All right, go. Try me out. There's no way you're going to crack me up.
All right. Why are Christmas trees so bad at sewing?
I don't know.
They keep dropping their needles.
All right, pretty good. That was pretty good. All right, you're not going to get this one. How do Christmas trees get their email?
I couldn't tell you.
Well, they have to log on.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay.
All right, so I think we're about tied. Go ahead.
Where does Santa shop for presents for the naughty kids?
I don't know.
Kohl's.
All right, last one for me. This is the winner. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
There's no way you're going to survive this one.
All right, I'm ready.
Why is the snowman careful when walking his dog Frost?
I don't know. He doesn't want to slip? What could it be?
Because Frost bites.
All right. All right. Okay.
All right, what's your last one?
All right,
Let's
all right,
see.
last one
Let me
is-
prep. Okay, go.
When the gingerbread man sprained his leg, what did the doctor say?
I told this joke earlier.
You did?
You're doomed. You're doomed.
You did?
Have you tried icing it? Okay.
Whatever.
All right.
Whatever.
All right. Here comes the song. Are you ready? Get ready. I'm going to make you
we're
stand up. You're
singing?
wearing pajamas there. Yeah, we're singing. On the 11th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new DJI Mic Mini. That's right, you were in tune on that one. A brand new DJI Mic Mini. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's a wireless microphone. It's brilliant. It's got noise cancellation. You can transmit a couple hundred feet with it. You put the transceiver on your shirt like a regular microphone, and you can transmit to your camera and record beautiful audio. And you're getting 2 microphones, not one, 2 microphones. You're getting the receiver, you're getting the charging case, everything you need to use it right out of the box. And we couldn't be happier to give this away, right? Every year.
Oh, you got me with some socks this year.
Shh. I got a surprise for you, too. You're not getting this, though. That's going out in the contest. Anyway, contest could not be easier. If you go down into the description below, right, there's a link down there. You click the link. What happens? Form comes up.
Okay.
Oh, you put your name in, your username in there from YouTube, and you put your email in there, right? Are we going to keep the emails?
No, I can't imagine we do.
Well, we're going to keep them for 7 days because we got to be able to.
Well, we
got
to contact them. We're not going to treasure them.
All right, we got to be specific. This is official stuff here. All right, so we're going to keep the emails for 7 days. After 7 days, we're going to pull a winner out. And then what happens? We're going to send you an email saying, "Hey, good news! You won the DJI Mic Mini." Not you. I'm just
sure.
I'm simulating the win here.
Let's pretend I'm winning.
Okay, so you won the Mic Mini. Send me your address. You send me the address. So what happens? I put this in a box. I send it to you. Now, do I charge you anything?
No.
Okay. Do I ask you for anything in return?
I don't know.
No, we don't. We don't ask for anything in return. Are there any shenanigans involved?
No.
No shenanigans. 0 shenanigans. So we just want to get it to you, make you happy over the holidays. Because I'm telling you, I could not be happier. This is my favorite time of year. My family's home. Everybody's home. I'm madly in love with my family, and I can't wait to spend time on Christmas Eve. And I don't have my pajamas on. I'll stand up. I'm wearing jeans. Why don't you stand up for a second?
Oh, that's all right.
Stand up a second.
Right.
Yeah, he's got his pajamas on under the
Christmas spirit a little
early. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. We are having so much fun with this contest, as we do every year. Now, when you started this with me, I think you were like this tall. You could stand up behind the camera.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, he's gotten a lot bigger. We've been feeding too much here, too much. Anyway, that's it for today. We have one more day to go, and I think we have one more special guest tomorrow. I don't know. She's kind of up in the air on this one. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah,
but anyway, that's it
available.
for today. Merry Christmas to all you guys. And until tomorrow, what do we say?
Happy flying.
Happy flying.